Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pizza Tower United. First, you'll need to download the mod files, typically found on the official Discord server for the United Community Edition. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file into a new, easily accessible folder. Next, use a patching tool like Delta Patcher to apply the mod to your base Pizza Tower game files, specifically the data. Win and Pizza Tower EXE files. After successful installation, launch the game by running the patched Pizza Tower executable. You'll find the basic controls are straightforward. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move your character left, right, up, and down. To jump, press the Z key, and for attacking enemies or breaking objects, use the X key. Pizza Tower United shares core mechanics with the original game. Your main goal is often to collect pizza toppings scattered throughout levels to increase your score. Building and maintaining combos by defeating enemies without interruption is crucial for high scores. Once you hit a Pillar John, pizza time begins, requiring you to race back to the level's entrance before a timer runs out. To truly excel, master advanced techniques like the dash and super jump, which are vital for traversing levels quickly and efficiently. Strategic use of character transformations will help you overcome specific obstacles and reach new areas. Always explore thoroughly. Many levels contain hidden secrets, alternate routes, and valuable collectibles that can significantly impact your gameplay.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.